traveled to Nashville in May of 2026 to see the Eagles in concert. The band did 5 stadium tours this year, and opening at each one was the Grammy Award-winning Tedeschi Trucks Band. For those of you who may not be familiar, the band is led by husband and wife musicians Tedeschi Trucks and Susan Tedeschi, both of whom are acclaimed musicians in their own right. Tedeschi Trucks Band is considered one of America's top blues and blues rock bands. We hope you enjoyed this sampling of their performance.